Hi everybody, it's me and Nameless, and so we're going to do some funny designs, and okay, so can you please tell me, it's starting with In It to Win It, which is a blue, but any blue tip that you have. Wet n Wild has one that's very close to this for 99 cents. I have all my neons out on my plate, all $1 a bottle at Michael's. Just get all the neon colors, and then if something's a little bit too bright or a little bit translucent, just lighten it up or brighten it down with white. So I use Apple Barrel or Delta Ceram Coat, and we have a very happy baby on the floor. So you get happy baby noises today. And let me tell you, she is extra cute. So I'm going into the tips with my liner brush, and you can get that. It's called the Wand at robinmosesnailart.com, and the Wand does all of the line work for all of my tutorials. So any line that you want to make like this, it's all about how you hold this brush and push. So I'm holding it at an angle that's flat to the nail. So if this is the nail, it's like this. It's flat instead of up. So when I say it's flat to the nail, that's how I'm holding my brush. If I say it's up, I'm using the point. So I'm going in with that, and then tipping up, and then I'm going to go in with some pink and pushing, and then pushing, and then pushing. Anywhere where you can get the two colors to show at the same time, that'd be awesome too. There's a song called Oceans. Is it Sage Francis? I'm not sure. Is it Saul Williams and Sage Francis? Oceans. And there's a baby at the beginning of the. Yeah, it's Saul Williams, and the baby is screaming just like that baby at the beginning, and it's so cute. Check it out. So I'm going in and making these nails all pretty and bright tipped. So, oh, I'm going to add more pink here. That's lovely. She agrees. Tiny. You know how Jay Sean makes us all crazy? That's going to be Tiny in a few months. She hasn't hit that yet. She hasn't hit her gate. So, okay, so here is when it's finished. And now, okay, so now, since everything's going well, I am going to, I'm going to paint some little legs like this, and little legs like this. And then I'm going to make a circle. Okay, so I'm going to let that dry. I'm nuts. Whatever. Here we go. There we go. But this was your idea, so I'm only half nuts.
Indeed.
Okay, back. Now I have a little tiny face staring at me, smiling, don't I? Now we're going to put another little leg up like this and like this. And I am going to make this thing square. Like so. Oh my gosh. And it's going to have little pink shoes. Look at that. Okay.
This is going to be so hilarious.
It's weird. We're weirdos. Okay, so then I'm going to do some white like this. And white like this. And white like this. And that covers like this. Now, do the little eye. Hi, evil client.
Hey.
And, okay, I'm going to add a little bit of white to that same brown color. And them. And do the little eyes like this. I'm going to let that dry completely. But while I'm waiting for it to dry, I'm going to make the arms like this. And the arms are important. Okay, so, yeah, really important. So there's this, and then the little hands. And same on this side. I'm going to make her hands, or his hands, whatever, like this. This. And this one is going to have like that with a hand here. Foreshortened. Okay, so I'll meet you back. Okay, so I have the little things in. Now, here we go. Okay, I'm going to go with a little tiny bit of white, and I'm going to put in, and because Evil Client's here, we know how Carl is. So that's Carl now. So now we have babies and Carl. Oh, look at the teeth.
Oh my goodness.
I love it. Okay, hold on. More teeth.
Oh, I knew that was good.
That totally like distracted me from my real life. Okay, hold on. Okay, so just so you guys know, that's why I've done nail art for so many years, because something will happen in my real life, but nail art always takes it away. Look at that. She looks like Emily Prime.
Oh, this is epic.
Simon. Okay, here we go. So here's this.
What?
And this and this and this and this. Okay, so now on the in the hands we're gonna put candy. What kind of candy are we gonna put? Nameless.
Lollipop.
So we're gonna go like, I'm gonna put some pink, this in one, and then I'll put a yellow lollipop in the other. Put the candy in the little candy eating candy. What are you doing it in the morning? I'm painting candy, eating candy. That is so freaking cute.
Dude.
Oh my god. And then a little light, little thing.
It's pretty hilarious.
That is so cute. Oops, I touched it with my finger. Okay, so now, as the last resort, as the last little ends and odds and ends, I'm just going to put like highlights on the candy, highlights on the candy that's being eaten, put white highlights through the nails here and there, just to lighten it up and give it a more airy feel. If it looks like dark in places, I just highlight it with white, and that just gives it an overall like, what would I call that? An effect that it allows it to look more perfect in its imperfections. So like by adding the white here on the shoes, it makes it just look more perfect. See where there's like lines here? More perfect, more perfect, more perfect. And it just kind of finishes the design. I'm going to top coat it with a matte top coat, and I'll meet you back. Okay, I've got to make this quick because the baby's going to sleep. So here is Candy eating candy. Now they're on a sea of candy swirls, and they're holding candy. This one has little fangs with candy dripping off of the ends of them. And this one is my favorite because it looks like Emily Prime. And if you haven't watched Emily Prime on Netflix, you must. So, you guys want to see the thumbs? There are the thumbs. And I will have pictures of these up on my blog and on my Facebook and on my Instagram and all those places. I hope you guys learned a lot. And if you did, please share this tutorial with others that you know will learn and grow and have a great time painting. That's what this is all about. And I will see you back with more. Bye, guys.